Today here we're running a training academy for all our new fabricators and potential fabricators, because we feel it's very important that these people know exactly what's going on when they're designing and manufacturing windows. To us, we don't want anybody to go into the window market with a poor knowledge and end up losing money on any job or contract that they're doing at this stage in time. So the academy today is run purely on that basis. We're teaching them about our software package. Our software package automatically helps guys design windows, does costings for them, supplies a cutting sheet which they give to the factory. The factory from that cutting sheet can manufacture windows and doors. It puts in the different glass types that customers may need and all the hardware, and produces a quotation at the end of the day which they can send straight off to the customer. I don't think in a Windows division, no, I must say no. A lot of the other companies, they're not competitor companies because they don't do PVC. What they do is they supply their customers with a little software package and a YouTube video and let the guys get on with it. And we feel it's more personal this. We can go around, we can individually show guys or ladies what to do. Problem solving is much easier, and also on the screen, to try and read from your small laptop with a tiny little screen, sometimes the writing is very small, so to have it projected on the wall in a nice big bold face really helps the guys get through it as well. Training academy that we run here is based on the training academies worldwide. REHAU throughout the world conducts training academies specifically for their fabricators. We appreciate the guys using our product. We love it, and in that vein we want to keep them with us. So as long as we can supply training, we can keep them up to speed, we can give them the knowledge base that they require to produce and perform their tasks successfully. That's basically what we do. And throughout the world, training courses are not charged to any of the fabricators.
Before we got into contact with REHAU, we're actually in the crushing business. So we do building blocks, and we create aggregate and things like that. So we decided to diversify our business slightly, and because we're already in the building industry, we decided that we didn't want to go the aluminium window route, because every Tom, Dick and Harry is doing aluminium windows. So we're looking for something more premium, and I actually Googled it and REHAU came up first. Oh. So, and then I phoned Peter, and then he took us on the journey. And that's only been a few months. No, it's been incredible. I think the support structure that REHAU has got here, I've never come across that, and I've worked with international companies, and I think they're incredibly supportive. You can phone them any time of the day, and anybody will help you, even from overseas. So it's been an incredible experience.
We've been in the construction business since 1994. We specialized in thermal heating products. We saw the product on one of the construction sites, and then contacted REHAU to get a bit more information regarding the product. With this new South African laws, it's become quite important to have a product that thermally insulates. The product quality was brilliant, and that is how we got involved regarding the uPVC and thermal response. Our industry has got a lot more dependent on power usage. With the current electrical price increases, thermal insulation, efficiency, all of that's quite important. So yes, it's definitely helped.
The academy, in terms of when it began, I've been here for 5 years now, and the academy has been running for the entire 5 years that I've been here. Not necessarily in this exact room. We did have another location for it, but this has been going now for about 6 months. The academy targets architects, developers, our existing fabricators, our existing authorized partners, and private external guys that we would like to train to get more proficient in the uPVC industry. It aims to teach a variety of things. We do sales academies, we do advanced sales academies, we do fabrication academies, installation academies. So it's right across the board, from when you would first start your job, how to sell PVC, right to the end where you actually installing the PVC. I think it'll have a very good impact, especially as uPVC isn't very well known out in the market. So it's all about education, and by educating the architects, by bringing them into the academies, our authorized partners, external installers, that sort of thing. It's about teaching them about PVC. Well, normally it is by invite. Through our marketing department, we invite our fabricators or invite developers or architects. But if a person would like to get involved, it's basically contacting our marketing department, and we would then set up an academy, or they would be included in the next academy, the relevant academy that we run on a sort of a bi-monthly basis.